Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness.
Hey guys, it's Marissa again, still scrapbooking our Paris trip, and I'm going to be using the Moments in Time by Photoplay for these pictures. Sorry, I knocked out my glue. For these three pictures, and I am planning to use this scrap once again because I am so in love with this color. This is black and white. And this is going to be a very simple layout. I'm going to be using these two papers from the Moments in Time, and I'm going to cut this out as an element. So let's begin.
So I got my trimmer to trim off the strips off the top of these two papers. I have also decided to cut off first the Eiffel Tower 3x4 element here. And now I am trimming off the strip of this Eiffel Tower blue background. This is the background we're going to use for this layout. So at this point, I'm trying to position the photos. I basically have in my mind, and I also looked in Pinterest, guys, by the way, for inspiration. Most often, I to jumpstart my creative juices, if you will. I look at Pinterest and browse through it. Sometimes I use some of the sketches, and in this case, I'm trying to. There was one sketch that grabbed my attention, and so I'm using that as a jumpstart to this layout. Um, So now I'm placing the pictures. See, when you have this kind of pictures where there is one that's a portrait orientation and two that are landscape, I sometimes have a tendency to rethink and think and rethink my my layout. In this layout, I am putting this black and white strip of paper, and it just so happened to perfectly be the good right size that I wanted for this project. So basically, this black and white strip is 10 by 6. So it's about the same size, of the landscape and the portrait size. So the portrait size is 6 by 4 and the landscape is 4 by 6. So that was 10. And then across the portrait is 4 inches, 4 inches, and then the landscape is 6 inches. So that's where it is. So it ended up to be the perfect match. So you've seen me put down the Eiffel Tower card, the 3x4 card. At this point, I am looking for stickers that I can put on. And again, I adhere them or add glue to the stickers just so they won't fall out over time. So I'm making a little cluster here of embellishments from the sticker sheet that came with this collection kit. So I decided to put three stickers on this. I like using wet glue because it's easier to pull up the stickers anyway. But sometimes the stickers don't really stick as well as you would like to. It is so dry here in Las Vegas that even if you try to add or really press down the stickers, they would still pop off. You've noticed that I added a heart sticker, but this time I popped it up. And now I am going to add on the title. I'm still using that Jenny Bolin alphabet sticker. I am so, so in love with that. You'll see me use that sticker sheet all the time. This time I kind of pulled out another sticker, thinking and hoping that they would work with this because I'm trying to get the color of the Eiffel Tower, which is kind of brownish, I don't know, brownish gold, I guess. And I'm trying to see how I'm going to be able to add this on, but it's kind of not showing up on this on the background. So the background is fighting against it, if you will. See, you can't really see it. So I decided to, and I changed my mind about that and placed back the stickers to the sticker sheet again and put it away. So here I am trying to think about how I'm going to add on a title to our layout. I found this strip of scrap and decided to, see if it will fight with what I already have down. And of course, I went back to the old favorite, my Jenny Bolin alphabet stickers. So you will notice on the left side, the stickers that I had put down on the left side, those are almost gone. I was so excited about that. Anyway, so here I am trying to go ahead and place down the letter E for Eiffel again. So basically, I'm going to put down Eiffel and placing them on this scrap piece of pattern paper. So, no, I am not going to trim down this piece of paper yet. Among other things, I actually use my trimmer as a ruler. So I am using this trimmer as a ruler, and if you notice, I had placed a pencil line so I can keep this my letters straight or as straight as they can be because I don't know, and I have a hard time trying to get everything straight on my layouts as far as titles is concerned. And even if I had the line, sometimes I look at it and I have some letters that are still leaning to the left or to the right. So, yeah. Am I the only one who has a problem with placing the dot on the I? Because I have the hardest problem with it sometimes. This time I actually pulled it off faster than normal, but normally I like struggle with that dot, and sometimes it takes longer to place that dot than it is to place the whole title. So, yeah, it happens to the best of us, I hope, or I guess. Anyway, so I'm finishing off and putting on the last two letters here. Again, adhering them with glue. And if you watched me before, I had told you already the reason why I add glue, especially on my titles. So I do that so that they won't fall off. It is so dry here in Las Vegas that it really dries off the adhesive on the stickers, I guess, and they do fall off. So I normally need the help of a wet glue. And I'm actually using quick drying glue here. I think it's by 3M if I'm not mistaken. So there's our last letter. Now I'm getting my trimmer to figure out how I'm gonna cut it. And I decided on cutting it into 5 inches. I'm sorry about that, that my alarm went off. It's telling me to get ready for work. It's very early in the morning. I just woke up basically. Anyway, so I cut this down to 5 by 1.5. So now I'm putting a dovetail at the end and, or yeah, putting it a dovetail at the end of this title. So I got this little flower from the collections sticker sheet and am going to ink it to distress it a bit and adding a little bit of glue at the back and placing it at the end of the title so that the space between the L and the what do you call this, a dovetail, won't be too, awkward. So I'm inking the edges of this banner now, banner title, and actually am erasing the pencil line that I created. This is a pencil click eraser that I found at Walmart and is the best eraser ever that I have ever found. So I decided to go ahead and commit and add our banner title up on the top, right in the center, right there, and done. I think I'm good with this.
Okay, guys, here's our layout. It's done. Took me a while, took a lot of thinking and rethinking, but it's done. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you have any questions or comments, just place them down in the comment section below. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe for more layouts and hauls and Kiwi Lane, Club Kits, and Scrapbook Process using the Club Kit. And yep, that's it. I'll catch you guys later. Bye!